Welcome back to the Mark Boat channel. So it's time to change the Chaincase oil on this 1999 500 Indy Touring. So there's the Chaincase down there, and how the heck do we get the oil out of there? Directly below the Chaincase you'll see this little hole in the plastic, and you can see up in there, and there's a little Allen screw, the plug for the Chaincase. So you need a 3/16 Allen wrench, and just loosen that sucker up, and you make sure you've got a big oil pan like I've got here, fairly large oil pan, because the oil goes all over the place. So a 3/16 Allen wrench is what I have. It's probably fairly tight. There we go. Alright, so it's loose. Just move that over a little bit. Get that oil pan under there because it's going to go all over the place. Just try to pull it back so you don't get oil all over your hands and everything. There we go. Get that to drip off there a little bit. There we go. So it's coming out of there fairly good. I'm going to do a full Chaincase removal and oil replacement on this sled, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll release that video soon.